All right, this is benchmark 7, chapter 6 review packet. Let's start with number 7. Number 7, you're doing the integral of -3 secant of x times tangent of x times e to the negative secant of x power dx. Now, anytime you see an e in the problem, you might want to just circle that. That's your key, that's your main function that you're dealing with, okay? So the formula I'm going to use is we're doing integral of e to the u du equals e to the u plus c. So I need to set this up so it's an e to the u problem with a du off to the right. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to put the e to the negative 6 secant of x first. And then what I want to have is so my u is negative 6 secant of x. So my derivative of u would be negative 6. What's the derivative of secant of x? Secant x tangent x, right? So that's what I need to have right here, and then a dx on the end also. So how can I get negative 6 secant of x tangent of x dx right here? Well, I can take this stuff, whoops, and move that over there. I can move this over here. So that would give me secant of x times tangent of x, and that dx. I can move things around because everything's multiplied together. This is negative 3 times secant of x times tangent of x times e to the negative secant of x times dx. So with multiplication, you can use the commutative and associative properties and move everything around wherever you want it, wherever you need it. Okay? Now, what's the other number I need right here?
Negative 6.
I need that negative 6 there, don't I? So I can put a negative 6 there. As long as I multiply by negative 1/6 out front, because negative 1/6 times negative 6 is 1. So what the purple stuff is doing is actually multiplying by 1, which doesn't really change the value of the function. And then don't forget about this negative 3. It can be moved out here since we don't really need it over here. So now you're going to have negative 3 times negative 1/6, which would be 3/6 or 1/2. Integral of e to the u. E to the u is just e to the u. So e to the negative 6 secant of x. What happens to the du here? Drops off. So this is my du. That's just going to drop off. And don't forget your plus c, because this is an indefinite integral, meaning that there's no definite starting and stopping points. That's number 7. Any questions about that one? It's a matter of knowing how to move things around, kind of. I think that's the tricky part.